Previously on Forgotten Gear Restorations.
This is your 73-ish twin reverb. Got the master volume. And you're saying that at certain volume levels, intermittently, you're experiencing a drop in low end. So just right off the bat, I'm noticing this. Let's get the master full up.
Welcome back to Forgotten Gear Restorations. Coming up, we have a gigantic 70s silver-faced twin reverb with monster magnet K120s sitting in the back of it. I know you just want to lift it up with your lower back and just walk her upstairs. I just did. And I'm not winded because I'm filming this an hour after. Now, customers experiencing an intermittent loss of low end and volume. What's going on? I suspect the output jack and or speaker cable. Why? Because while you guys weren't looking at this, I was wiggling it. Coming up soon. Bye.